नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। I, Javian Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic uh, general. Today, I will discuss about the topic to demonstrate the general neurological examination. General neurological examination topics belongs to the human anatomy and physiology, practical for B Pharm second semester. Now we come to the introduction of neurological examination. The neurological examination is the assessment of sensory neuron and motor responses, especially reflexes, to determine whether the nervous system is impaired. This typically includes a physical examination and a review of the patient's medical history, but not deeper investigation such as neuroimaging. It can be used both as a screening tool and as an investigative tool. So now we come to the example of definition. Alert, awake, looks about, responds in a meaningful manner to verbal instructions or gesture. Drowsy, oriented when awake, but if left alone, will sleep. Confused, uh, disoriented to time, place, or person. Memory difficulty is common, has difficulty with command, exhibit alteration in perception of stimuli, may be agitated. Uh, Stuporous, generally unresponsive except of vigorous stimulation, may make attempt at verbalization to vigorous repeat stimuli. Open eye to deep pain, uh, comatose, unarousable and unresponsive. Some localization or movement may be acceptable within the comatose category, depending on the coma definition. Example, light coma to deep coma. Does not open eyes to deep pain. The difference between coma and sleep. Sleeping persons respond to unaccustomed stimuli. Sleeping persons are capable of mental activity. Sleeping person can be restored to normal consciousness, and cerebral oxygen uptake does not decrease during sleep as it often does in coma. Now we come to the indication. A neurological examination indicated whenever a physician suspects that a patient may have a neurological disorder, any new symptoms of any neurological order may be an indication for performing a neurological examination. Organic disease, signs and symptoms that can be faked must be examined closely. Examples include asymmetry in pupils, abnormal retinal exams, uh, nystagmus muscle atrophy, and muscle fasciculation. Where are the connections? Upper motor neuron are defined as the connection of motor nerves before they leave the spinal cord. Lower motor neuron element are defined as often the synapse connection to the peripheral nervous cell bodies. Now we come to the objectives of neurological examination. Organize exam into the 6 subset of function and concept of screening examination. Understand afferent and efferent pathway for brainstem reflexes and differentiate between upper and lower motor neuron finding. So about the 6 subset of the neuro exams, Here, what you need to examine: mental status, cranial nerves, motor, sensory, and coordination reflexes. So now we come to the concept of a screening exam. Screening each of the subset allow one to check on the entire neuroaxis, cortex, subcortical, subcortical white matter, basal, ganglia, thalamus, brainstem, cerebellum, spinal cord, peripheral nerves, and muscles. Expand evaluation of given subset to either a very important concept of a screening of exam. Neurological examination, mental status exam. Folks, family store of memory loss, orientation, general information, spelling and numbers, recognition of object. Firstly, in interview, the patient family interview will allow the nurse to be gather data, both subjective and objective, about the patient's previous present health status, provide information to patient family, clearly information, make appropriate referral, develop a good working relationship with both the patient and the family. Initiate the development of a written plan of care which is patient specific. So interview to identify presence of headache, difficulty with speech, inability to read or write, alteration in memory, altered consciousness, confusion or change in thinking, uh, disorientation, decrease in sensation, tingling or pain, motor weakness or decreased strength, decreased sense of smell or taste, change in vision or diplopia, difficulty with swallowing, decreased hearing, altered gait or balance, and dizziness, tremors, twitches, or increased tone. Physical examination consideration. Level of consciousness, most important aspects of neurologic examination. Level of consciousness, first to deteriorate, changes often subtle, therefore requiring careful monitoring. Compose two component, uh, alertness and content or awareness. So this is the main parameter. Assessing LOC, glass glow and coma scale. Three categories: eye opening, best motor responses, and best verbal responses. So this is the short complete session. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.